Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily sell your Hostinger domain. So all you have to do is just head over to Hostinger and just log into your account. Then once you're logged into your account, you should be redirected to your homepage. Next is just look for the domains section, and from there you should be able to see a list of your domains, and all you have to do is just click on the manage button beside the domain that you want to sell. You will be redirected to this domain portfolio page, and all you have to do is just click on manage again. You will then be redirected to the domain overview page. And from here, you can customize and adjust the settings regarding your domain. But the most important thing is you turn off the transfer lock option just by toggling this icon. You're going to need to turn it off to be able to transfer the domain to the buyer. And just below it, you can see the authorization code. You're going to need it when you sell your domain. And from there, you can now easily sell your domain. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!